Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm creating this super pretty smoky eye with a nice glowy skin and a nude lip. So if you'd like to see how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so before I go in with any eyeshadow, I just like to highlight my brow bone and inner corners using this light highlighting shade from the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. Now I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Cinnamon on my lid, and this is just going to act as a base for the eyeshadow colors I'm about to apply. Next, I'm picking up this absolutely magical eyeshadow from the Metallic Mysteries palette by Hallberg called Collison. I definitely need to get more products from her brand because she has some really amazing products, and so far this is the only one I have. Now from the Dreamy eyeshadow palette from Nabla Cosmetics, I'm picking up Illusion on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to apply this in my crease and outer corners. Now, I almost never do cool toned looks, as you guys know, so today I decided to switch things up and pretty much only use cool tones, and I actually really like it. And here I'm just adding some of Dogma from the same palette in my outer corners to make it darker and more smoky. I wanted to add a little bit of yellow just in the crease, so here I'm using New Wave from the Subculture palette by Anastacio Beverly Hills. Next, I'm adding a little bit of Metal Cupid from the Dreamy palette on the outer half of my lid and in the inner corners of my crease for a little bit more dimension. For my inner corners, I'm first going to apply the Confetti matchstick from Fenty, and then I'm adding Bang from the Hallberg palette on top. Now for the lower lash line, I applied Gamma, I think that's how you say it, from the same palette, and I really like this color, so I ended up adding it on top of the pinky shade I used earlier on the lid as well. On my waterline, I'm applying Rokoko Gel Eye Crayon from Marc Jacobs. I wanted to add a nice winged liner to the look, so here I'm going in with a Sigma Gel eyeliner in the shade Wicked, and it's just a really dark black shade. And when I was done with the wing, I added a little bit more of that dark brown eyeshadow I used earlier on the lower lash line. Now I'm just going to apply mascara and then my favorite lashes from Feline Lashes in the style Russian Blue, which I'm sure you all must be tired of by now, but they're really the only ones I wear, so... Now moving on to the cheeks, I'm going to apply a more cool tone blush from Sigma, and then I'm going to go in with the same Marcel highlighting palette, and I'm going to mix these two pinky shades to highlight my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and also my Cupid's bow. For the lips, I'm first going to apply a lip primer from Anastasia because I filmed this video back in January when it was cold outside and my lips were a little bit dry. So I'm just applying that, and then I'm applying Honey Lipstick from Anastasia and NYX Lip Pencil in Sugar Glass, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!